The cashew apple is vibrant, but it is this small, kidney-shaped drupe beneath it that holds.
This is the heaviest part of the day, but the harvest is good.
We spread them thin like this. The sun does the rest, you know. It takes a full day sometimes.
Spread out on the vast tarps, the cashews must be constantly turned to ensure even drying under the intense heat of the sun. The bone-dry cashews are then carefully scooped by hand and packed into burlap sacks, ready for the next stage. Every day, he carries the weight of the harvest, fueled by sheer determination.
Careful with that one, it's heavy. I got it, sending it up now.
Moving through the automated system, the sacks are precisely opened, releasing the valuable crop into the next stage of processing. Pushed by the auger, the raw nuts enter the high-pressure steam, beginning their transformation within the colossal rotating drum. Inside the rotating drum, thick white fog softens the tough outer shells, preparing the cashews for extraction.
Check the consistency right there. They feel brittle enough, ready for the shellers.
The rhythmic shaking ensures the cashews are precisely aligned, accelerating them towards the heavy-duty shelling apparatus. The walnut enters the chamber, moving inexorably toward the high-carbon steel blades. At precisely the right moment,
The pneumatic pin applies precise pressure, gently pushing the delicate kernel free from its dark shell.
Here, the shaker tables remove any remaining shell fragments, guaranteeing quality before the final stage. The drying oven utilizes gentle, radiating heat from ceramic elements above, loosening the outer skin as soft rubber rollers gently remove the outer skin, revealing the clean kernel inside. A sudden burst of compressed air separates the outer skin from the nut, which is then swiftly pulled into the vacuum hood above. The kernels enter the high-tech optical sorting chamber, where digital lenses scan every nut for imperfections. Flashing blue lenses scan for the slightest imperfection. When detected, a microjet of air instantly removes the faulty kernel. After careful inspection by the team, the cashews are plunged into these vats, where high-pressure water ensures a flawless clean.
The heavy-duty mesh elevator ensures the cashews are thoroughly cleaned before moving to the next stage.
The pristine nuts ascend the mesh lift, shedding the last droplets of water. At the peak, they tumble into the soaking silo. The raw kernels begin their transformation, absorbing purified water until perfectly plump and ready for milling. The heavy steel valve releases the swollen cashews, creating a powerful vortex that carries them through the clear pipes.
The wet cashews cascade into the conical hopper, pulled by massive interlocking burrs that rotate at high speed.
We ensure the grind is precise, transforming the kernels into this rich, textured paste.
Here in the colloid mill, the gritty paste is forced through microscopic gaps, transforming it into this perfectly smooth, velvety cream.
The smooth cashew cream exits the colloid mill, flowing directly into the blending vat. Here, reverse osmosis.
Here we add the natural vanilla and a pinch of sea salt, creating that distinct flavor profile.
Sucked from the vat by powerful pumps, the liquid enters the centrifuge, vibrating with immense power to begin the separation. Through the power of the centrifuge, the milk is rendered ultra-smooth, ejecting a pressurized stream of
This ultra-high temperature process ensures absolute sterility while maintaining the milk's rich, natural flavor. After pasteurization, the milk is rapidly cooled in this network of pipes, ensuring freshness before it reaches the holding tanks above.
This is the heart of the process. A mesmerizing flow of pristine white liquid.
From the holding tank, the milk flows into the high-speed rotary filler, ensuring every bottle meets the highest standards of quality and precision.
Here, the star wheel guides each bottle with organic precision, a testament to modern craftsmanship. The cashew milk is flash pasteurized before entering the aseptic filler, ensuring perfect preservation.
The creamy crown is the hallmark of a perfect fill. Precision engineering ensures a zero-drip retraction.
Moving seamlessly into the carousel, the bottles meet their caps. The vibrating hopper aligns thousands per minute.
This high-speed line relies on the precise mechanical torque of the magnetic chuck, ensuring a secure seal before the bottles move downstream.
A fine, high-pressure jet rinses away impurities, followed immediately by a blast of compressed air.
This is the art of industrial flow, where human craftsmanship meets robotic precision, ensuring a flawless finish every time. As the bottle moves down the line, a quick laser scan confirms alignment before the inkjet printer applies the date code.
The flat cardboard is precisely positioned before the pneumatic press folds it tightly around the bottles. Once the flaps are closed, the automated sealer ensures a perfect seal every time, maintaining the flow of the busy warehouse. Utilizing advanced vacuum suction technology, the arm ensures a secure grip, streamlining the assembly process with unparalleled accuracy. The synchronized movement ensures every shipment arrives securely, a testament to intelligent design. The finished cashew milk is secured, ready for transport. A testament to efficient industrial design. A showcase of human craftsmanship. The flow of industry relies entirely on this practiced precision deep within the trailer. From the moment it leaves our high-tech facility, this creamy plant-based milk is on its way to your market, ensuring freshness globally.
From the highway to the brightly lit aisles of your local market, we deliver freshness you can trust.
Kept at the perfect temperature, ensuring every drop of this pristine white liquid is as fresh as the moment it was bottled.
Listen to that perfect pour. So creamy, so smooth.
Raw Cashew's journey culminates in this rich, velvety smooth plant-based milk, crafted for the perfect pour every time. From these raw, carefully selected cashew nuts, we craft the rich, creamy milk you see swirling here.
A closer look reveals the intricate surface of the cashew, a testament to nature's design and human care.
The cashew harvest is an endless cycle, demanding both industrial flow and human craftsmanship under the golden sun. Ah, this one is perfect. The morning dew means it's ready for harvest.
The farmer carefully inspects the ripeness, ensuring the perfect moment for the harvest. Once firm, it is twisted from the branch.
Once harvested, our grains move to the milling process, where technology meets craftsmanship. Silo 5 valve engaged. Pressure holding steady at 200 psi.
As the purified water and plump cashews surge through the transparent tubing, they are rushed toward the grinding room.
Racing through the transparent tubes, the nuts enter the secondary colloid mill, emerging as a perfect. The technician evaluates the viscosity, ensuring the cream meets the rigorous standards for consistency and texture.
The refractometer allows us to precisely measure the sugar content, ensuring consistency in every batch of our cashew cream.
Perfect quality score confirmed by the technician, ensuring the high-speed bottling line operates without interruption.
The flow rate seems consistent at 500 units per minute.
Yes, the calibration held up well this cycle.
A mesmerizing, rhythmic flow carries the containers through the final sterilization phase.
Combining the efficiency of robotics with meticulous design, ensuring every bottle is perfectly placed for shipment.
This unique tracking barcode ensures total traceability, linking every product directly from the factory floor.
The spiral accumulation conveyor is the heart of the operation, moving thousands of dairy-free products every hour.
All right, seal her up. Make sure that goes out by 3.
A continuous loop of farm-to-table engineering, perfectly tuned, naturally flowing, ensuring